Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of 4 minus x plus square root of x plus 1, this is equals to 3, and here we will find out the value of x. Here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute square root of 4 minus x, this is equals to a, and a is greater than equals to 0, and substitute square root of x plus 1, this is equals to b, then b is greater than equals to 0. So if we take square both side, then in left hand side we have 4 minus x because square root is cancelled out by square, and in right hand side we have a square. And here if we take square both side, then in left hand side x plus 1, this is equals to b square. Look carefully, a square is equals to 4 minus x and b square is equals to x plus 1. If we add both the equations, then you get in left hand side a square plus b square, and this minus x and this plus x is cancelled out. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. And this square root of 4 minus x is a and this is b. Then a plus b is equals to 3. We have two equations. Here b is equals to 3 minus a. A square plus b square is equals to 5, and this b is replaced by 3 minus a. 3 minus a whole square, this is equals to 5. Now we know that the algebraic identity of a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In left hand side a square plus, and here we will apply this identity, then 3 square, that is 9, minus 2 times a and b that is a, plus a square, this is equals to 5. A square plus a square, that is 2 times a square, plus 9 minus 6 times a, and this is equals to 5. If we take all the expression in same side, then we'll get 2a square plus 9 minus 6a plus 9 minus 6a minus 5, this is equals to 0. Here 2a square minus 6a, 9 minus 5, that is plus 4 is equals to 0. Here if we take common 2, then a square minus 3a plus 2, this is equals to 0. Now if we divide both sides 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. So here a square minus 3a plus 2, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of a. Here we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of a. A square minus 3 times a is same as minus 2 times a minus a plus 2, this is equals to 0. A square minus 2 times a. If we take common a, then a minus 2, and here if we take common negative sign, then a minus 2. If we take a minus 2 is common, then a minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here product of two algebraic expression is 0. So we can a minus 2 is equals to 0 or a minus 1 is equals to 0. Here value of a is 2. And here value of a is 1, and we know that a is square root of 4 minus x. So this a is replaced by square root of 4 minus x, this is equals to 2, and this a is replaced by square root of 4 minus x, this is equals to 1. If we take square both side, then in left hand side square root is cancelled out by square, then 4 minus x is equals to 2 square, that is 4, and value of x is 0. And here if we take square both side, then in left hand side square is cancelled out by this square root, then 4 minus x, this is equals to 1, then value of x is 3. We have two possible values of x. First value of x is 0 and second value of x is 3. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.